First, open the box and take out everything inside. Two, take and remove the camera from the pouch. But wait, before you use an analog camera, you have to know some of the parts in an analog camera. So, let's start from the back of the analog camera. This is the place to put the battery. You need two batteries to be able to make the camera turn on. Then this is the part where you put the film roll in here, and this is viewfinder for viewing objects. Then we go to the top of the camera. There is the shutter button, timer button, and the flash button. And if you slide it, you can see the lens in here. Open the battery cover and insert the battery. Open the film roll camber and put the roll film. But I'm really sorry, I don't have the roll film at this time, so let's move on to the next step. Slide to open the lens. You can see object through this viewfinder. Then you can take a picture by pressing the shutter button.